guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys all the items and everything that we use to kind of paint our home and also replace some of the carpet. It's amazing what paint and new floors can do to your home, so I'm super excited about that. We did try to be a little bit more budget friendly, so we took the task of learning how to paint, and trust me, it's not as easy as it seems when you first start off, but we got better over time, so we're super excited to share that with you. The first thing we decided to do is take a trip to Home Depot. We decided on using the Behr brand in the eggshell finish, a scuff and defense. It has been working out pretty well for us in the color Cotton Gray. As you can see here, we had to use a paint edger because we just couldn't reach some of these areas. And eventually we realized there's no way we can reach the very top of the walls, and we had to hire a painter to continue the job for us in the areas we just couldn't reach. That was the family room and the entryway. Those areas we just couldn't reach it. So and I'll give you guys the total cost towards the end of the video, how much we paid for the painter. So this is just the entryway, another area we attempted to paint on our own, and we just couldn't make it to the top. I know we could have purchased probably a taller ladder, but husband Michael is not very fond of heights, and I was currently pregnant during this time, so it only made sense to get a painter. And this is what it currently looked like, and this is just the first coat of paint. I kind of snipped the video while the painter was on his lunch break, so this is what it currently looked like. I got super excited instantly. I just couldn't contain my excitement. Okay, so now we're back upstairs, and we needed to start painting the remaining rooms upstairs. And the reason why I didn't cover the carpet or anything was because we were going to get rid of the carpet. So I realized this is when I actually enjoy painting. I have narrowed down what works for me, and that was taping the baseboard, kind of going around all the outlets with a fine brush and using a fine brush to cut in the corners and on top of the wall so I wouldn't hit the ceiling. And after that, I would fill in the rest of the wall with a roller. And that's what I did. And it really worked out for me because I didn't have any paint on the ceiling like I have experienced in other rooms. And you'll see me doing that here. And I really enjoy painting, you guys. And I know you're like, are you serious with that little brush? But that's kind of what works for me. All right, you guys, remember when I told you guys this is budget friendly? I'm using every little drop of paint I can, okay? When they shake that bucket of paint, there's paint on top of the paint can. So I'm just using a little fine little sponge brush and scooping as much paint as I can and kind of, you know, getting the edge of the wall, and then I'm going in and filling out the wall. I'm not trying to waste any paint, and I don't know if you guys knew this, but like there was a paint shortage and the price of paint has increased. So definitely, if you plan on painting, use every drop. All right, you guys, in the next couple clips, I'm going to briefly show you guys what each room upstairs currently look like, and then what it looks like after we remove the carpet. The next thing to do was to head to Floor and Decor and look for some flooring. I did brief research on what kind of flooring I was interested in, but most importantly, we wanted something that kind of matched in color with what we currently had downstairs, and of course, something that is affordable. Alright, you guys, I'm trying to do this voiceover without laughing, but do not do this. Do not put all that weight on your car. Definitely, if you don't have a truck for it, rent a truck or something. That was crazy. We could have caused a lot of damage to the car, so do not recommend. Anyway, this is what the floor currently look like when we start pulling up the carpet. And of course, I had to go upstairs because I have never seen that, and I was super excited to see what it looks like. And here's the transformation, you guys. All right, you guys, let's talk about the cost of the renovation. So we needed to cover about 512 square footage upstairs for the room and the little off area. For the flooring, we paid $860.88. Quarter rounds was about $80. The paint and the supply was $360.52. For a contractor to come and do the flooring, it was $800. They had a teacher discount that I was able to use, and the painter charged us $300 to paint the remaining areas that we were unable to reach, totaling up to $2,401.40. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, do leave them down below. And until next time, you guys, bye.